Guys, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found someone to be with every night. He doesn't know me yet, but I just know that somehow him and I are gonna end up together because we have invisible strings. I've really done so much thinking. No one's ever made for me other than Mayor. Kung alam mo lang, may 2 anak na po tayo. Ikaw na lang po yung kulang. 3 reasons why nagit me invisible strings ni Mayor Vico Soto. Guys, diba ang iyang phone kay like blurred kay guba? My gosh. Ang akong iPad, guys, hiwi. So, oh my God, nami technological deficiency. Wala na namo gisabutan, guys, ha? So, like, invisible strings ba yun? And guys, oh my God, he's from Pasig. I'm from Butuan City. Guys, you know what we have in common? Nasa like Pasig River kami, guys. Nami Agusan River. So, my God, we're like the river couple, mga badin. Guys, kani Jude, guys, itinadhana talaga kami ng mundo. Sa alphabet, magkasunod yung letters namin. Ako reserva, siya Soto. Guys, tapad lang ang R o S sa alphabet, meaning kami lang talaga ang magsasama sa buong buhay naming dalawa. If that isn't invisible strings, I don't know what is. So, sinasabi ko po sa'yo, Mayor, ready na ako sa'yo. Ikaw, dapat magiging ready ka na for me.
And alam mo, Mayor, may wedding hashtag na po tayo, Goko for Gogo, aka Golda and Vico for good governance.